Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager of MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new listing of ours. This is a 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. Starting off in the transom here, this boat's powered by twin 350 Mercury Verados with Joystick. They have just under 170 hours on them. This boat was lift kept and is in great condition. Full walk-through transom with Seadek foam flooring throughout the entire boat. Huge aft-facing lounger here with cup holders, stereo remote. We have backrests that ratchet upright and a ton of storage underneath this compartment as well. As we enter, we have storage on the floor, battery switches, REVERSO pump, freshwater washdown, a cockpit door that closes here. Nice L-shaped settee as you enter the cockpit. This is the dune colored interior. Looks great with the midnight blue Sea Ray hull. We've got a large fiberglass cockpit table here that stows underneath this hatch, this engine compartment hatch, which lifts up with the push of a button. Coming over to the starboard side, we have our wet bar area with a freshwater sink, Corian countertop, refrigerator, and we also have a trash receptacle on board. Opposing seating here. So just opposite that L-shaped settee, we have a nice, very nice and comfortable seat with a nice high backrest. We pan up to the hardtop. We've got a convertible sunroof that we can open and close here, along with a powered sunshade that will extend all the way over the aft portion of that aft-facing seat. Further forward here, really comfortable helm area, flip-up bolster, double wide seat for your driver and your observer, twin Simrad touchscreens, digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados, joystick control, and we also have dynamic running surface with the Lenco trim tabs. Head area on board here, distribution panel behind the starboard console. Head area is also great for storage. Another double wide observer seat, super comfortable to sit in. Good visibility. Flip up the bolster here as well for some added height, and you have storage beneath both these seats, port and starboard. Coming up to the bow area, really large, expansive bow seating area. We've got wrapped stainless steel grab rails that are recessed for safety and comfort. Fold down armrests on both sides. Another storage locker in the floor. We have bow tables that we can set in place on those mounts. Big wraparound seating, a lot of storage beneath these seats here. Same for this seat, and then this seat lifts up as well. Forward we have a spotlight in the foredeck area, remote controlled anchor windlass, the remote up here in addition to what you have back at the helm, and a freshwater sprayer. And that's a walkthrough of this 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.